restoration and enhancement is a priority for Texas Sea Grant, and bringing together this group collaboratively has been very effective. The goal of this project is to ultimately restore parts of this habitat, which include a live oak redbay community, which is threatened, and then there are pollinator habitats as well. So protecting those and creating new ones. The background of this project goes back to the Texas Sea Grant planners in Aransas County helping with their long-term recovery post-Hurricane Harvey. And so this is the relationship with that community is ongoing and will continue.
My wife, Kris, and I have been working on the Master Naturalist for 19 years, 18 years, something like that. Both of us have over 10,000 hours of volunteer time. Working on is to restore the live oak redbay community that was severely damaged by Hurricane Harvey. This that we're looking at right here, which is known as the Ivy Lane Aransas Pathways project, is a typical live oak redbay community. It's got all the plants that belong in that community, and that community is threatened, so that it is largely disappeared.
Two of the main invasive species we've been removing are guinea grass and St. Augustine, and there's also some Bermuda grass.
And cattle do eat it, they love it.
But it doesn't stay in the pastures.
It grows back in the shade where the cattle can't get to it, and it has literally begun to take over this part of South Texas.
We're doing a good job in removing some of the invasive species that have moved in on us. We're enhancing the ability of the insects to survive and thrive here, because the insect community is crucial to the life on this planet.
These two priority sites are ecotourism. They're birding sites. People come from all over the country and from different parts of the world, specifically to Rockport.
We've built some bird water drips, and so to enhance the ability of the avian population to stay here, we've built several drips like this. We've also accompanied most of those drips with benches so that birders can sit and watch and observe the birds as they move into and out of the drips.
It's been a privilege to work with this particular group, the Texas Master Naturalists. They have such expertise in plant species, and learning from them with knowledge that I'll never forget. The students will never forget. They were very enthused in documenting and taking specimens and keeping record of everything that we learned, and comparing the beginning of this project to now that we're nearing the end of at least the summer portion. It's really neat to see walking through the trails and back into the property, as identifying what we used to have no idea what it was. But the species types, the Master Naturalists have probably taught us over 30 different species, and learning how to see it at different stages and really study that plant is knowledge you can apply as you move forward, as the students move forward into their careers, and as I continue on as well with different habitat work.